You keep rolling your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Have Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another product review. Now I am reviewing a sonic brush that was sent to me from Duvolle. If you have not heard of Duvolle, I have reviewed a couple of their products on my channel, so I will be sure to leave you guys some links if you're interested. So this company does offer a variety of different things when it comes to just beauty products. They have different sort of facial cleansers. They also offer things like curling wands, hair straighteners, and everything in between, so definitely be sure to check them out. And if you do end up being interested in this product, I will leave you guys a link below in the description box for a coupon code. So let's just get into the Sonic facial cleansing brush. So today the products that I'm going to be using to try this brush out are going to be my typical Neutrogena Skin Balance Milky Cleanser, and I'm going to be using that along with my Equate Beauty Foaming Scrub. So in the box you will get the cleanser itself. This cleanser comes with a charger as well, and the charger is USB. So to use this cleanser, it's pretty straightforward. On the actual cleanser itself, you'll see 3 buttons. One of the buttons will be a power button. You'll get a plus button and a minus button. What the plus and minus button does is pretty much just either add more power or lessen the power to the vibration of the actual brush itself. So let's just see how this is working, you guys. I'm excited to see how this is. First, I'm going to go in with my Milky Cleanser. Have that all rubbed in, I will go in with my Equate foaming scrub on top of this. So now that I have the product on my face, I'm just gonna go in with the brush itself and give myself a good little scrub down. So I'm gonna press the power button. I feel like the pre-programmed option that it comes on seems pretty good. It's not vibrating too rough, or it's not vibrating like super softly, so I feel like I'll leave it where it is first. The brushes are very soft, you guys. It feels like silicone, which I'm pretty sure it is. I'm just going to massage it in the areas that I have laid the cleanser on. This actually doesn't feel strange at all on my face, you guys. It feels as if I'm giving myself like a facial massage, literally. This feels definitely different than the facial cleansing brush that I reviewed for you guys previously. It feels like the vibration is more subtle on this, if that makes any sense. More subtle than on the cleansing brush itself. And I kind of like the way that it feels, honestly. It's like relaxing. The other facial cleanser that I have, I've used it a lot of times, but I feel like just based on the bristles, at some point it's definitely looking like I may need to replace the bristles. On this one, since it is silicone instead of like synthetic brush hairs or whatever it's made of, I don't see you needing to actually change out the brush head, so I feel like that's perfect. I feel like I can honestly already see the difference. This seems like it's cutting down on the amount of natural oils and the shininess that I have in my skin. I do know that some natural oils is definitely good for your skin to have so that it's not all dried out, but I just don't like having any excess oils, especially with the summertime being here. I feel like this is definitely helping to minimize that already. I can feel it softening my skin. And I'm already seeing some product from the debris that's left behind in my face on the brush, so that's definitely good. It's definitely working. And of course, after I finish with this brush, I am just gonna go in with some water and just wash off my face so that this product comes completely off of it. And one of the things I think I do prefer to this over the facial cleanser is the fact that it is smaller. I feel like it's easier to manipulate it to the specific areas that you want it in. And like I said, the fact that there are no interchangeable brushes, so I don't have to keep going in and changing out the brush that I want and washing each brush as I go. So I feel like that's very convenient. Okay, you guys, so I'm all set, and I don't know if you could see that. So as you can see, it did pick up some of the debris that was left behind on my skin, so that's really good, especially because I'm someone who's super anal about cleaning my face and cleansing my face, and I tend to use different products to just exfoliate it. So I feel like this is going to be definitely a good product that's in addition to whatever you may already have at home to just make sure your skin is actually getting a deep and thorough cleansing. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go and wash this off of my face. Okay guys, so I am back after washing the product on my face, and I just want to come to you with my overall views on this product. So I think it was honestly very worth it. My face is ridiculously soft, you guys, and it's a different kind of soft than I experienced with the Radiance Skin Care system. I feel like with that system my face felt exfoliated and soft, but this felt like for some reason it got even deeper into the layers of my skin than the Radiant Skin Care system did. I do like both products, and I feel like both can work for whatever it is you want to do as far as achieving exfoliation in your face, but for some reason I feel like I like this one much better altogether because the size makes it so it'll be extremely easy to just carry around with you. It seems like it's like a travel size, but it also is big enough for you to get large portions of your face without it being super time consuming. I feel like using this sonic facial brush definitely took way less time than using the I feel like using this sonic brush definitely took way less time than when I use the Radiant Skin Care system, because with that system you do get multiple brushes that do have to be washed, maintained, and so you're just going through the whole process of swapping out brushes, and it is bigger, it's a little bit bulkier. I think both products did work very well, but for me, I think as a whole, I think I definitely do like this product better. I like the way that my skin feels. I do like that even though it's small, you do have the option to power the brush on and off. I do like that even though it's small, you do have the versatility to make the brush vibrate either faster or slower to whatever your liking is. I do like the fact that it's like a no mess cleanup. You don't have interchangeable brushes that you need to swap in and out. It was super easy for me to just rinse the product off of it with water. It seems like this is definitely going to be just a good all-around product, super easy, definitely beginner friendly. This is definitely going to be one that seems like it's good for anybody, especially if you're somebody who wears a lot of makeup or just anybody who is just interested in keeping your skin at the top of its game. I definitely would suggest this. You guys, my skin though, you may be getting a little bit of shine from my ring light, but let me just tell you, in person, like, I'm getting this natural glow, and I'm coming off in my mirror like I have a light layer of makeup or something on. I feel like this is definitely helping me even out my skin tone. I feel like this is giving me what it is I want with my skin, and no makeup needed, honey. That is the absolute goal. I think this is 100% definitely worth the buy. Like I said, my skin feels wonderful. This is going to be thrown into my everyday rotation. Like I said, I do still use my Radiant Skin Care system, and now that I have the sonic facial brush, I will be adding this in addition to it. So I feel like all together my skin is going to be on another level, you guys. So I highly recommend checking out this website if you have not heard of them before. I'll definitely be sure to leave the link below. Make sure you check out that coupon code. These products are definitely high quality, and I highly suggest them if you're interested in maintaining your skincare routine in any way, shape, or form. But that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other products you want me to pick up in any other colors and any other units and anything, honey. Until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.